Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.9% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices were little changed, pressured as the dollar jumped to its highest in a month, but supported by jitters about the impact to energy supplies from escalating tensions in the Middle East. The dollar jumped as investors dialed back their expectations for a March rate cut from the US Federal Reserve, while the pound and yen dropped on signs of easing inflationary pressures. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust transferred 8,730 Bitcoin, worth over $376 million, to Coinbase Prime deposit addresses, according to data from blockchain analytics platform Arkham Intelligence. The transfers imply that the fund may have been forced to sell some of its Bitcoin as its share price declined.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US industrial production will be released at 14:15 GMT, the Austrian HICP at 0800 hours GMT, the UK's Core Consumer Price Index at 0700 hours GMT. The US retail sales will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.